Hi friends, my name is Nitin Bansal. I have done MBA in Finance from Panipat Institute of Engineering and Technology, and I have also done Financial Modeling and Valuation course from IB Institute Delhi. In this course, I have learned various skills which are a prerequisite in my career. So I have learned how to prepare financial model from scratch, how to do valuation of different sector with different methods like DCF valuation, relative valuation, and many more methods are there. I have also learned how to prepare pitch book and company profiles. I have learned how to do ratio analysis and various more things are there to learn. My mentor, Mr. Manoj Kumar, helped me in various things. Like he took my mock interviews and gave his valuable feedback, which helped me in improving. Now I cracked the interview of Gallagher and Mohan and holding a position of financial analyst there. I am happy and I want to thank all the members of IB Institute, my mentor and full team of IB Institute for placing me there.